Welcome back to Health Over Wealth in the US, and I am Susie Rains. If you're new to this is about lifestyle and healthcare. Today, we're talking farmers markets and specifically in Oregon. I'm going to be going over the healthoverwealth.us events section, and it's going to have farmers markets, and we're going to be talking about what's going on in Oregon. So let me share my screen and let's get started. We are in the homepage of healthoverwealth.us. This is the site where you're going to go to look for the events. The events are under this menu here. And if you click on events, it's going to pull up all the events. So all the different categories. If you look at the category drop down, you'll see that there are lots of different events. We are going to filter on farmers markets. Now we have all the farmers markets. So we see Texas, Minnesota, Oregon. We're going to go to Oregon, New York, Vermont. There's a lot in here. 43. So this shows where you can see how many are in here. And you can do it by date range or you can do it by state. We're going to do it by state. So I'm going to take out the date range and we're going to go to Oregon. Okay. And the state is Oregon. And search. Now you're going to see Oregon, and there's 10 results here. One thing that you need to know about Health Over Wealth in the US is that we are always adding new events, new articles. It's always changing. So come back regularly. I think yesterday when I searched, there was only 9. Now there's 10. So as new things come up in the locations, we add. And we add states. So right now, the events, I believe we're in 22 states. That's going to expand too. So keep coming back. I do these videos so that I can highlight what's in Health Over Wealth, how you can find what's here, and kind of teach different things that you can do while you're in here. So today, farmers markets, Oregon. We're not looking at a specific date. We're just looking at farmers markets. So here, the first one, this one's in September 3rd. So I'm going to open one of these just so we can see what it looks like. So when you open it up, you're going to get the map. And this is where you can view larger map and it's going to allow you to get directions. You can click and get directions. The other thing you can do is you can add it to your calendar. So one of the things that's helpful is if you find something that you like that's 2 months, a week, 10 days in the future, go ahead and add it to your calendar. Then you'll know it's there. So we go through, and on the right-hand side, you'll notice there's related posts. These aren't necessarily in Oregon. These are other farmers markets, but they might not be in Oregon. So just know that on the right-hand side. So this particular one is Sun River Resort Farmers Market, and it's scheduled for Thursday, September 3rd. This register button is really a button that just takes you out to their site. So you can go and check out their site. Looks like they have bees, cur muffins, baklava. They got a bunch of stuff. So it allows you to not only see it on the Health Over Wealth in the US, but then you can go and check out their information as well. It says that it's at the backyard at the Lodge of Sun River Resort in Sun River, Oregon. And these links will take you to different places. So this is results for Sun River, Oregon. This is more. So there's actually, it looks like there's 2 that are happening near Sun River, if you click on that. So let's go back. Here we are. And it just gives a little description of what you can find there. See the bees, baklava, sourdough, all kinds of cool stuff in here. So let's go back to our list. And we're back. And remember, we're in Oregon. So we're staying in Oregon. PSU Farms is on September 5th. Lentz Farm is on September 6th. King's Farmers Market, Sunday in Portland on the 6th. This one's in the 10th, the 16th. I'm just kind of scrolling through. Hillsboro Harvest Fest. That one's in October. Let's go to that one. That one looks fun. This one is October 7th, 4:30 to 8 p.m. It's Reed's Crossing Wednesday Market. And if we click on their link, let's see, this takes us to Hillsboro Farmers Market website. So there we go. Pumpkin games, hot cocoa, scavenger hunt, and more. So this is giving you more information than what we have on health over wealth. So again, once you go in and you find something you're interested in, you can add it to your calendar. You can get directions, figure out how to get there. So again, in Oregon, there's 10, and tomorrow there might be 12, or next week there might be 20. And these expire. So, like after this September 3rd one is done, then more future ones. So, how this is set up, Health Over Wealth is set up to look 3 to 6 months out, just so you know. So, if you're looking at something and you're like, I want to see what's going to be happening in, say, January, we are in August. So, August, September, October, November, December, January. That's right around 6 months. So there may be something in here if something is planned and already out there in published for people to find. So we go out and we resource, we go out and we find what's happening in local areas and we just link to it. That's what this is. And so stuff is constantly changing. Keep coming back because you never know what you're gonna find. That's the fun thing, is I wake up every day and we have, and this full disclosure, we have AI that goes out to the internet and it searches and actually finds what's going on in different states, different towns, different counties, and we ask it to look for specific things. So this one is pulling back farmers markets and it's identifying it in Oregon. There's other categories, and you can search in the events and find anything that's going on. We have the main ones that we highlight are farmers markets, retreats, and health fairs. And the reason we do that is because this is health over wealth. This is specifically for living a healthy lifestyle. And those are three things that complement living a healthy lifestyle. But there are other categories. There's health education, there's cooking, there's meditation, breath work, there's all kinds of yoga, exercise, all different types of categories in there for events. So those are just the top three that we highlight, but there's always events going on and it could be in one of those other categories. So definitely come back and search that. I'm so excited that you're here. Share this channel if this is interesting to you and you're finding it helpful. Please share the channel. This is how we get the word out to let people know that we have health over wealth in the US. It's something that is personal to me. I was looking for local things to do. Please share the channel. Share this video if you know somebody in Oregon that's like, I love going to farmers markets. Forward this video to them so that they can go find the place to go. Again, things are constantly changing. Go look, healthoverwealth.us. That's where you'll find it. And I'm Susie Rains. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos that are coming out that are highlighting different things. And I'll see you in the next video.